My people not be smarty for Instagram. Social media just catch fire for Obi Kubana. My people, more than listening. This Obi Kubana adopted son, he go right come out say he showed that the high, say na he be the next of king. My people, na him Obi Kubana just run fast go right for Instagram say na him own son when he born with him own John Thomas, na him be the next of king. Na him everybody begin dey bash on Obi. If una see comment section, they finish Obi Kubana. Why you go write that kind thing? Why you go talk say na your own son? Na I come be next of kin na because say this boy not be your son. Some say na cruise the boy use am take cash. Not be say the boy really mean am. They deal with Obi not be small. My people, what una be expect? Una no know say Obi Kubana wife na go tell Obi Kubana say, oh yeah, run go right come out o. Wetin be this boy plan? You understand? Now his wife go tell am make go do that thing. So not be real son. And you know me say you no go still give am anything, but there is no how when go take we things give that boy. Now your son he go still give. If una dey that shoe, una will be the women una go gree. Say you be Obi Kubana wife, you go gree. Make he adopted son be the next of kin. He no go gree. Nobody go gree. We will tell ourselves the truth. Nobody go gree. So they say na cruise now the boy use and take cash. Forget as we go talk am. When time go reach now you can't see. Now there you can't see kata fight to come dey happen. It better make papa yok we talk am now as e dey alive. My people. So now what I say, na my own opinion. Now be that one.